Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, big tails to the upside, tails to the downside. We do have a fairly clear upward trend. We've come up to an area of resistance, which is right here at 35,044. We did reject it once. We've got the oscillators all grouped to the upside, and if I just take my Fibonacci here, and I can take it to there, you're going to see that the 61.8 is here as well. So that is an area where the bears would want to try and get involved. Okay, so that's definitely an area that they're looking to regain. Moving averages have crossed over. So, the bulls are going to be expecting a pullback onto structure. That is the closest bit of structure on the 8th hour, which is at 34,707. Oscillators agree with that. And we also have diversions here on the oscillators from that previous swing high to this one. So, lots going on. Bullish signal here, bearish signal there, diversions, bearish signal. Fibonacci, bearish signal, and then bullish green bars all the way up. So, you might as well flip a coin at the moment. There is nothing there that is clear either way. And if we look at the 3 hour, the trend has continued. We do have a crossover of the 150 EMA at the moment, which is also our trend indicator, so that is looking fairly interesting. What's not looking interesting is the fact that we do have some rejection here from this level, and this is a big level. So 35,044 is a massive level, and then this level down here is also a massive level, as indicated by this pin bar from last week. So now when we look at it from a intraday perspective, look at that confusion. So trend was up, as I said yesterday. You're looking for some kind of structure, and we'll probably find it on the 15-minute. But look at that, hit that and immediately came back. But the surprising thing here is that the bias still kept scaling in here. So this trend is clearly to the upside. We do have quite a bit of data coming out this morning for Europe, and then we've got the jobs numbers this afternoon, and then we have non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So if you look at this on the 15-minute, remember what I said, probably pay attention to these levels here, and wasn't working there, but look at this massive pullback onto it, inside bar, and then didn't really get going again. But nevertheless, if you were still in that trade, it was a 50-point stop loss, turned at 75 points. If you're still holding that, it would be 100 points already. So I suspect we're going to get more of the same. So this is just big up, big down, big confusion. The trend is up though, so you want to be going with the trend right now. And I would argue, I'll use these two levels. Depending on what the data is this morning, we've got the Euro CPI as well, which could impact the European market, and then this will feed off it. So these are the levels you need to pay attention to be honest. I think if you start dropping below and rejecting 34,900, there is probably going to be merit for moves to the downside. Lots of gaps down here to chase, and if we break above the high of yesterday and build a base above 35,044, which is a big level, then that would give us the confidence that we have structure to the upside. So for me at the moment, this is kind of still a sit on hands. I know yesterday was uncertainty as well, but it's coming. It's the last day of the month as well. So are you going to get profit taking, or are we going to try close on our high? And if you look at that, not quite our high, but that's a big inside bar there. So there's a lot of bearish concern, and then on the lower times we've got some bullish structure. So very difficult to pinpoint what exactly is going to happen today. And I think the wise decision would be to sit back and wait for this to unfold. I actually don't see much on the other indexes either, so I have a feeling we're going to be waiting for data, and then we're also going to be waiting, sort of just easing off, letting the month close off. Those that have made profits will be looking to bank that profit and not lose anything, so it could just be a slow day, but then there could be some fireworks with the data, so keep your eyes peeled. I think you may find something or you may not. I'm kind of in two minds, so we'll check again this afternoon to see if there's anything brewing, but I don't think there's going to be much this morning, to be honest. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my confused outlook for this morning. Hope it does help you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.